Your Roomba finishes cleaning, but instead of returning to its home base like it should, it just stops, wanders around, or spins in place. This can happen because of bad home base placement, no power to the dock, or dirty or corroded charging contacts. So in this video, we'll reveal all the reasons why your Roomba is not docking with practical solutions. Stick around for bonus tips to prevent Roomba from not docking in the first place. Here we go. Reason number 1, home base placement. If the dock isn't set up correctly, Roomba might not be able to find or approach it. Always place the dock on a hard, flat surface and not on cluttered spaces. Make sure it's against a wall with at least 1.5 feet of space on both sides and about 4 feet of open space in front. Don't tuck it into corners or under shelves. Also, double check that the dock hasn't been moved, turned around, or unplugged during cleaning. If you're using a mat underneath, make sure it's aligned properly and not blocking Roomba's approach path. Reason number 2, no power. When you plug the dock into the wall, the power light should turn on for a few seconds, then turn off. That's normal. If you see no light at all, try a different outlet or inspect the cable. A powerless dock means Roomba can't charge or dock, even if it gets there. Reason number 3, corroded charging contacts. Roomba connects to the dock using metal charging contacts, and if these are dirty or oxidized, it may struggle to dock or charge. To clean them, use a slightly damp magic eraser or melamine sponge. Never use wet cloth or abrasive sprays. Gently wipe the contacts on both the Roomba and the dock. Doing this every 1 to 2 weeks helps keep the connection strong. If your Roomba still isn't docking, it could be an issue with the sensors. Older models use something called an R-Con sensor, while newer ones like the J series use a front-facing camera. Here's what you should do. Press and hold the clean button for 3 seconds to clear any saved tasks. Then, place Roomba about 4 to 6 feet away from the dock, facing it directly. Press the home button, or in the iRobot app, tap pause, then send home. If it docks successfully, great. If not, gently wipe the front-facing sensor to remove dust. If you're still having issues, the sensor itself may be malfunctioning, and it's time to replace it. Sometimes the environment causes interference too. Strong sunlight, mirrors, or glossy floors can confuse Roomba's sensors. Avoid placing the base near windows or reflective surfaces, and consider relocating the dock to a more open and evenly lit space. Another reason can be software glitches. Occasionally, Roomba just needs a reset. To do that, remove it from the dock and press and hold the clean button for 10 seconds until it restarts. For a deeper reset, take out the battery, wait 30 seconds, and reinstall it. Then place Roomba back on the dock and try again. Don't forget to check the iRobot Home app for firmware updates. These updates often fix weird docking behavior and improve overall performance. To prevent docking issues in the future, here are some simple tips. Clean the charging contacts every 1 to 2 weeks and keep the area around the dock free from clutter and cables. Wipe the sensors every few cleaning cycles and reboot Roomba occasionally to clear out temporary bugs. Most importantly, always keep your Roomba's firmware updated using the app. But these steps work if you have a Roomba. We have made a detailed troubleshooting guide for a Roborock not finding dock, so check that out now.